Hey guys, it's Amelia, and so I thought for my first YouTube video that we should do 50 things to do when you're bored. And this was kind of great for me because I'm always bored. I mean, we're FaceTiming all my friends for doing homework, and that's boring. Not FaceTiming my friends, but still. So, can you please subscribe and hit that like button? Anyway, let's get into it. Number 1, clean your room. And if it's already clean, mess it up and clean again. Because trust me, we love a cleaning sister. Money and I'll be better off without you. And no time I'll be forgetting all about you. And you never know when I really doubt you. Understand my life is easy when I ain't around you. Listen. Number 2, get in some comfy clothes and just sing your heart out. What a shine when you was a match for some very key. Never listen aloud. Three, 4, do your hair. Let's go. We love a hairstylist, sister. Let's have a bit of Christmas up in here. You know what you guys are talking about? I just realised I don't even have a hairband. I could get one. Somewhat making really bad bun. You know what, I can't even be bothered. Actually, some toes. Anyway, on to number 5. So, read a book. Number 6. Just sing any song. Thank you. Next, subscribe to it. Yeah, again. Number 7. Eat. Number 8. Just turn your Alexa on. Make her tell a joke. Alexa, tell a joke.
The lift operator. He says the business has its ups and downs.
Ha. Number 9. Just what did you do? Number 10. Try some dancing. Your hair up because we're going to try new hairstyles. By the way, that was number 12. Brush your hair. not ready. Oh god. Better? Number 13. Just play your own game. I'm a superhero. Yeet. Team. Have fake arguments with yourself. No, Becky, shut up. No, you shut up. No. Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to Disneyland? Yeah, I don't think so. Sure. They just can't open the fight. Wait. Hey, Number 15. 15. Just look through old pictures, cause like. Was 17. Just, you know, do the usual. Or maybe it's just me. Do the usual. Oh, are you ready? Because this is the best. Do the usual of just fake arguing with yourself, but with a twist. Fake arguing with your goddamn dog. No, I didn't fart, you farted. Oh. Everyone, this is my dog Bertie. As you can see. Well, I ran out of ideas, so let's just do top 17. Anyway, subscribe and like. Just saying, if you're watching this, Tom, you're cringy like me. Anyway, go to 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers each day. I do 2 uploads every single day. If it's on a school night, probably like 1 every 2 days. I don't know. But on Fridays, I post 2 times. Saturdays, I post once or 2. Sundays, I post 3. Anyway, bye.